Well guys, welcome back. We're here with another demolition derby video, and this is the commentary. You guys seem to really like the last one, so here we are going to be doing another one. So this is my heat from Schaumburg. It was a Friday night, had to book it off work, but Schaumburg's one of the local shows that I've actually never won, ever. I've come second a couple times. Real good guys. I really like the track. The track's got hard spots, soft spots. You really have to know the track. These guys here checking out, making sure I have a battery cover on and everything. But I'll tell you the reason why I really like this track here in a couple minutes. But they're just giving the inspection of my car as I'm going in. You drive in, put your nose to the wall. But there's something why I really like this track. Let me pull up to the wall here. Why I like the track, see right there, see how the grass is level with the Jersey barriers? When you put something or somebody into these walls, they do not give. If you get somebody passenger side out and you hit them, you do so much damage to them because the walls do not move. In a regular demolition derby, when you hit the walls get pushed back 6 or 7 feet. Not here. Here, when you hit those walls, all the damage goes right into those cars. So here comes the derby, it's about to stop. We have a backup camera here, but guys, it doesn't last long because the back of this guy hit me a little hard there. I guess there was no love tap from that W body. I think it was his first derby, so I wasn't upset or anything. Coming around, missed that driver door, spin that lady round and round. She won the best in show with that Cobalt, that's what it was. So there's a Cavalier W body, a Hyundai Accent out here. Just trying to make some taps here. 101, that car there starts screaming here at the end of it. I believe there's a Camry in the ring with me. Just trying to take it easy. Top 2 make it to the feature, and there's a consolation, so just trying to put around, see how everything goes. I brought enough parts that if I did break an axle or a strut, I had enough parts to get myself into the consi. So just trying to take it easy here for the first 2 or 3 minutes. Just kind of gauge up some of the competition. Just tapping, nothing too aggressively. Just trying to get a feel for the track. These guys are starting to turn it up. You can hear the engine starting to rev a little bit more. So as you guys see here, this is something I'm always going to tell you guys. See how I'm turning? I'm putting passenger side to the wall, driver side out, so it kind of limits the amount of space that people can hit you on. There, look at that. Put into that wall. See, that wall never moves. I got hung up on Buddy's door here, got off. In a bad spot here. Got a driver's side tire shot there. But it wasn't a big one, it was just more of a rub. Yeah. Made eye contact with another driver, you gotta love that. Getting piled into this corner here, just taking my time. Don't want to dig a hole. This is my first time using V-treads and I'm really nervous about digging a hole, so I'm trying not to give it too much fuel. Coming out, passenger side to the wall, driver side out. Coming in, getting a half decent hit. Hit and spin, hit and spin. Keep going, passenger side to the wall, guys. A little bit of a bumpy ride. Coming back in, nice square shot with those frame rails. Into the wall, does not move. The wall in Schaumburg is mean. So, these 2 cars here, hit and spin. Miss that driver door. Don't want to hit that driver door, guys. So they're taking top 2 to feature. And it comes down. W body's dead. This Hyundai Accent is hitting pretty hard. Looks like 91 in the Toyota Camry's down. Looks like 101 in that Cavalier is down. So it leaves me, a Cobalt, and a Hyundai Accent. But that guy in that Hyundai Accent is a hard hitter. You can see my engine getting a little hot there, a little bit of smoke. I'm not running a radiator, just loop lines. Trying to push them over there. You see all that right there, boys and girls? You want to know what that is? I thought that was an electrical fire, but nope. fire extinguisher was going off on the floor. These guys hit the passenger door in and the fire extinguisher went off. So I'm trying to see if it's electrical, giving thumbs up to the officials, telling them I'm not on fire. I find it a little hard to breathe right now, but if I keep moving, all the fire extinguisher dust will get outside of the car. Not being too hard on the engine. I still have more rounds to go. I can see the feature coming up. All I have to do is beat out these two cars to get to the feature. Hit and spin, passenger side to the wall, guys. Push him into that wall. Oh, she kind of got the driver door there, guys. Watch out for that driver door. Coming up. Hit and spin. He comes in, just misses me, gets her. I seen him coming. I didn't want him to get that passenger tire, though. So now, we just have to wait for the 60 count, I think, on that purple cobalt. So we make a couple hits here. But I kind of wanted first place. There's no money, no trophy for first place in the heat. It's mostly just bragging rights. But this guy here was hard to get. He was giving me the back end of that Hyundai, pushing him into that wall. But I knew that the front of my car was not going to be as tough as it should have been because of the cutting I had to do to drop this car from a mild pro to a stock. And the frame was not in good condition. You guys seen me building it knowing that there was a lot of things that were not bad. They're telling me to take second. I'm giving them thumbs up. But I did notice this GoPro in the back there. Let's replay that here. You see that right there? That's his GoPro. So I was waving at his GoPro in there, guys. See? Giving thumbs up to his GoPro. But I think he thought I was taking second. And honestly, guys, at this point in time, it's just bragging rights. I should have stopped a little bit earlier, but I love putting on a show for the stadiums, but we were both already into the feature, and I should have stopped. All I was doing is wearing down the car a little bit more than I should have, but all good and fun. They just knock on my car right there, tell me to take second. I was like, okay, no problem, I'll take second. Giving thumbs up. You guys see the bandage on my hand? I have a pretty nasty burn. It's 3 weeks old from a can of Zoodles, believe it or not. Laughing with the officials. That's what I like about these small towns, is the officials are such nice guys. These big shows, sometimes they're not so nice. Sometimes they're nice. Driving out. The pit area for Schaumburg is really, really small. So you guys notice the shaking, it's because the GoPro camera mount broke. So that's why this is so shaky. You get an idea of some of the other cars that were out there. Coming all the way down to the end. Parking at my truck. And we're back to my truck. Now we got a little bit of fixing to do. I think what we did was we took a hammer and bent the back down a bit, and then we put some more water into it, and we're good for the feature. We didn't bend any struts, nothing like that. Thanks everybody for watching. You guys ready for the feature? Make sure you guys come back tomorrow. A lot of you people said that you guys said that you liked the commentary, so I'm happy to keep doing it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you back here tomorrow on Zach's Workshop.